As Mayor of Fingal County Council, I welcome and support the Healthy Fingal Strategic Plan. As we all know, Fingal is a wonderful place to live, work and socialise for most of its residents. The Healthy Fingal Strategic Plan supports the ability of our community to enjoy physical and mental health and well-being. It illustrates the need to support those most vulnerable within our communities by addressing health inequalities. The COVID-19 pandemic has shown the importance of working together for the common good. And I see the Healthy Fingal Strategic Plan as another step towards an inclusive Fingal where people can realise and be supported to achieve their full potential. Fingal County Council has a vital role to play, particularly enabling increased physical activity. This is central to our active travel policies and the core of our transport policies, and our recreational facilities also play a vital role in enabling healthy lives. Stakeholder engagement has been key to the development of the plan and will be key to its implementation. Thank you to all organisations and agencies who collaborated to produce this document, a document unique to the Fingal area. And a special thanks to the organisations, services and agencies throughout Fingal who continually work to support and improve the health and well-being of everybody in the Fingal community. Gur Machguibh.
I'm delighted to be with you today to mark the launch of the Healthy Fingal Strategic Plan. I would like to thank Ciara Brett, Healthy Fingal Coordinator, Mayor of Fingal, Councillor David Healy, and Chief Executive of Fingal County Council, Anne-Marie Farley, for the kind invitation to share this special occasion with you today. Improving health and well-being and preventing ill health often comes down to making changes in our lifestyle and behaviours. Sometimes small, sometimes not so small. Healthy Ireland wants to empower every person to improve their health, well-being and quality of life. But to do that, we need to provide the supports and tools for people to make those changes. And this requires every individual and sector of society to play their part. It requires change in our communities and in our local government. And your work on this Healthy Fingal Strategic Plan demonstrates a commitment to making that happen. With 19 actions set around 5 priority pillars of healthy eating, active living, mental health, sexual health, tobacco and alcohol, this plan is a roadmap to improving the health and well-being of the people in the area, while also taking into account the changing landscape forced upon us by the COVID crisis. This past year has seen our resilience challenged like never before. Looking after your health and well-being is a vital part of developing and promoting resilience. That is why late last year the government launched the Keep Well campaign to encourage resilience and well-being in the face of the COVID crisis. A key component of the campaign was the involvement and collaboration of the local authorities and the Healthy Cities and Counties network. I wish to thank and acknowledge Healthy Fingal and Fingal LCDC and County Council for all the work and time they have given to this campaign and the huge amounts of initiatives that they have facilitated to help the people of Fingal to keep well at this time. The Healthy Ireland Strategic Action Plan was recently launched by An Taoiseach, and this action plan, which is a clear roadmap of how we as a society can work together to bring about the vision of Healthy Ireland, has a strong focus on addressing the challenges of health inequalities and reaching out to those who are most marginalised in our communities. And I am pleased to note that the emphasis in the Healthy Fingal plan to working together as a community to support and include the most vulnerable in society. This idea of partnership is crucial. It's all about people and communities coming together with a shared goal and the will to make real change happen. And I'm a firm believer in the power of community, and I believe that there is nothing that cannot be achieved when we all pull together with a common focus. Healthy Ireland is our national framework, but this is where the real work is done, here in local communities, by local people, meeting local needs. And we all need to pull together to make Ireland a better country to live, work, age and play in. I want to offer my sincere congratulations and thanks to all involved, and look forward to hearing about your progress in the months and years to come.
As Chief Executive of Fingal County Council, it's wonderful to welcome you all today to mark the launch of the Healthy Fingal Strategic Plan. This plan is part of an overall commitment for all councils to have a Healthy Ireland plan, and I'm delighted that we have brought the plan to this stage. Promotion of health and well-being is complex, and our plan identifies 5 key areas and action items, which are the starting point to our engagement with the community. And I look forward to watching this plan meet its goals over the coming years. This plan was developed via a partnership-based approach, which included interviews with key stakeholders, including young people, older people, and other key members of our population, while the review of national policies linked to health and well-being were also essential to the plan. Following this, key actions were identified by local agencies. These actions have been finalised and are embedded within the strategic plan, providing a roadmap to improving health and well-being in Fingal communities, with a particular focus on health inequalities. As with all health and well-being initiatives, bringing the determinants of health into the equation is the best way to help reduce health inequalities, recognising that this is a complex and multifaceted area. This strategic plan is our commitment to address and work with the community to understand health and well-being issues which may exist and to support everyone in Fingal to enjoy the quality of life they wish to enjoy. This plan is a starting point and we envisage it will continue to develop over time to meet emerging needs and harness new opportunities.
A healthy Fingal is one where everyone can enjoy physical and mental health and well-being to their full potential, and where well-being is valued and supported at every level of society and is everyone's responsibility. Throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, we have learned the importance of working together as a community to ensure the good health and well-being of everyone in Fingal. The development of the Healthy Fingal strategic plan followed the Healthy Ireland partnership-based approach. It takes a whole of government and whole of society approach to improving health and well-being and the quality of people's lives. The Healthy Ireland Strategy 2013 to 2025 recognises that there are many factors or determinants which can influence a person's health and well-being, and acknowledges that good health is not evenly distributed across Irish society. It affirms that the circumstances in which people are born, grow, live, work and age all impact on their health, in addition to the individual choices people make about how to live.
The Healthy Fingal strategic plan's priority is to address health inequalities which affect the most vulnerable in Fingal and improve the overall health of the community. Health inequality is affected by a wide range of factors, including social exclusion, income, housing conditions, lifestyle and poverty, and can lead to higher rates of mortality and morbidity. We seek to assist vulnerable community members to adopt healthier lifestyles and achieve health equity. By this we mean their full health and wellbeing potential. The 5 key action areas of the strategic plan align with the pillars of the Healthy Ireland strategy. As such, Healthy Fingal 5 key action areas are healthy eating and active living, mental health and wellbeing, sexual health, tobacco and alcohol. This plan is a starting point and we envisage that it will continue to develop and evolve over time to meet the emerging needs and harness new opportunities. The Healthy Fingal strategic plan seeks to provide the community with supports and information to increase control over their own health and wellbeing. And we look forward to working with the Fingal community to improve physical and mental health and wellbeing in the months and years ahead.
On behalf of Tusla Child and Family Agency, as Area Manager of Dublin North and Chair of Fingal Children and Young Person Services Committee, it gives me great pride and pleasure to welcome you all to the launch of the Healthy Fingal Strategic Plan 2021 to 2025. This is an extremely important beginning and brings together many agencies in Fingal involved in the care of children and young people and their families. This crucial document will help to create a healthy county, one where children, young people and families can grow, develop and live healthy and active lives. This strategy provides us with a roadmap for the delivery of a healthy society and healthy communities. The strategy highlights the vision for that Fingal is a county where everybody can enjoy physical and mental well-being to their full potential, where well-being is valued and supported at every level of society. The document provides the reader with key messages on different aspects of health and well-being, with a central focus on creating better health outcomes for all those who live in the county. Nelson Mandela once said, "One of the most difficult things is not to change society, but to change yourself." With that in mind, I would like us all to consider what one change we can make today in order to change our own health outcomes and those of others.